Moving on to policy management and customizations, this section focuses on three critical areas: content exclusions, audit logs, and organization controls. Content exclusions allow us to define what kind of data or content should be excluded from processing or analysis, ensuring sensitive or irrelevant information is properly managed. Audit logs play a vital role by tracking all actions and changes within the system, providing transparency and helping with compliance and troubleshooting. Organization controls are essential for setting permissions and policies at a group or enterprise level, allowing for centralized management and consistent enforcement of rules. Together, these components ensure that policy enforcement is both flexible and robust, safeguarding the organization while allowing for necessary customization. GitHub Copilot Business and Enterprise offer powerful policy management features that help organizations maintain control and security when using Copilot. Administrators can enable or disable Copilot for specific users, teams, or the entire organization, giving precise control over access. There's also the ability to manage suggestions that match code found in public GitHub repositories by either blocking or allowing these, which helps ensure content compliance. Another important control is around prompt and suggestion collection. Administrators decide whether data from prompts and suggestions is gathered for product improvement, balancing privacy and product development needs. Additionally, editor plugin policies allow restricting which IDE plugins and extensions can work with Copilot, adding another layer of security. Content exclusions let you specify files, folders, or repos where Copilot should never provide suggestions, protecting sensitive or proprietary code. Finally, managing subscriptions can be automated using the GitHub REST API, making it easier to handle Copilot Business at scale across your organization. All these tools together ensure governance and compliance while leveraging the power of Copilot. When managing content exclusions with GitHub Copilot, the main goal is to prevent Copilot from accessing sensitive files. This feature is especially important for repository owners and organization admins who want to control where and how GitHub Copilot provides suggestions. Content exclusions let you specify certain files, folders, or even entire repositories where Copilot will neither provide autocomplete suggestions nor read any content. To configure these exclusions, you have a few options. At the repository level, you can add a .copilot ignore file in the root directory. For organization-wide settings, you navigate through Settings, then Copilot, and finally Content Exclusions. Exclusions support glob patterns to match files or folders precisely. For example, using secrets *** excludes all files in the secrets folder, **********env covers all .env files regardless of location, and config/prod**.json targets production configuration files. Once set, these changes take effect within about 30 minutes, and they apply not just to code completion but also to Copilot chat. Regarding the effects, Copilot will not autocomplete code in any excluded files, nor will Copilot chat use their content in context. Importantly, these excluded files are never sent as context to the AI models. Users won't see any message explaining why suggestions stop, it just quietly happens. These exclusions work across all editors accessing the repository, so the restriction is consistent no matter where you work. However, it's important to be aware of some limitations. Exclusions are not an absolute guarantee that no data reaches the AI. Users can still manually copy and paste content into chat prompts, which bypasses exclusions. Also, exclusions don't apply retroactively to content the model may have already memorized. Lastly, sometimes IDE caching may briefly show suggestions before the exclusions fully kick in. Keeping these factors in mind helps manage expectations and maintain data security effectively. Let's talk about GitHub Copilot audit logs, an essential feature for monitoring and compliance in business and enterprise environments. These audit logs provide comprehensive tracking of key activities, giving administrators the visibility they need to ensure security and adherence to policies. Specifically, the logs capture important events like when user access to Copilot is granted or revoked, any policy changes made by administrators, and adjustments to content exclusions. Additionally, metadata from chat conversations is recorded, though not the actual content itself, along with authentication and authorization events, API access, and subscription changes. To access these logs, administrators can go to Organization Settings and navigate to the Audit Log. By filtering for the Copilot event category, they can easily find relevant entries. Furthermore, logs can be exported using the GitHub REST API, integrated with CM tools for advanced analysis, set up for webhook notifications to stay informed in real time, and scheduled for automated reporting to streamline monitoring processes. On the API side, there are specific endpoints available to manage billing and usage programmatically. These include retrieving billing information and seat counts, selecting or deselecting users, and monitoring usage. This automation capability allows for efficient management of Copilot seats and usage at scale. Overall, these audit logs and API tools provide robust control and transparency, supporting both security requirements and operational efficiency in managing GitHub Copilot within organizations. Now, let's delve into some of the advanced GitHub Copilot features designed specifically for expert developers to enhance productivity and collaboration. First, the GitHub Copilot CLI allows you to interact directly from your terminal using the Copilot command. You can get shell command suggestions, explanations, and even navigate your terminal more efficiently with AI assistance, making your command line experience smarter. Next, custom instructions let you tailor Copilot's behavior by setting repository level or personal guidelines. This means Copilot provides personalized, context-aware responses that better fit your specific project needs. For enterprise users, knowledge bases are a powerful feature. By creating indexed knowledge bases from your organization's repositories, Copilot can offer deeper, more informed code completions and suggestions grounded in your own code and documentation. Similarly, PR summaries automate the creation of detailed pull request descriptions, change summaries, and review checklists. This saves time and ensures that your pull requests are clear and thorough. Copilot Vision takes a unique approach by allowing you to upload images such as screenshots, diagrams, or mockups. Copilot then analyzes these visuals to generate the corresponding code, bridging design and development seamlessly. With Code Review AI, you gain AI-powered suggestions on pull requests, helping improve code quality. This feature is available on all pull requests, not just those using Copilot, broadening its impact across your team. Multi-model support gives you the flexibility to choose from different AI models like GPT-4, Claude Sonnet/Opus, and Gemini Flash, depending on the task at hand. This lets you optimize performance and customization. Finally, Copilot extensions empower you to build and use custom extensions. These can integrate your company's specific tools and workflows directly into Copilot, further tailoring the experience to your organizational needs. Each of these features is aimed at making your development workflow smarter, more efficient, and more adaptable to complex project demands. GitHub Copilot is a game changer for JavaScript and TypeScript developers. It leverages AI to understand modern frameworks, coding patterns, and the overall ecosystem deeply, making development smoother and more efficient. For instance, it offers strong support for popular frameworks like React, including components and hooks, Vue.js with its composition API, Angular services and modules, as well as backend technologies like Node.js and Express APIs. It even handles frameworks like Next.js and Nuxt.js with ease. When it comes to coding capabilities, Copilot helps with async and await syntax, promises, and TypeScript-specific features like types and interfaces. It's also well-versed in ES6 and newer JavaScript syntax, module imports and exports, and robust error handling patterns, which are crucial for writing clean, maintainable code. Testing is another area where it shines. GitHub Copilot can generate jest tests, support React testing library, Cypress for end-to-end testing, and setups for Mocha and Chai. It also assists with mocking, which simplifies writing and maintaining test cases. Finally, Copilot is very practical in real-world use cases, generating API clients, handling React form validation, managing state with Redux, creating GraphQL queries, and even configuring package.json files. This breadth of functionality makes it an indispensable tool for accelerating and improving JavaScript and TypeScript development workflows. Now, let's dive into how GitHub Copilot enhances Python development across various domains. Starting with web development, Copilot can help you quickly create Flask routes and views, define Django models and work with its ORM, build fast API endpoints, write efficient SQL Alchemy queries, and even generate REST clients. This significantly speeds up backend and API development. In data science, Copilot supports common tasks like manipulating pandas data frames, performing NumPy array operations, and creating visualizations using Matplotlib or Seaborn. It also assists in building machine learning pipelines with scikit-learn and writing code within Jupyter notebooks, streamlining the entire data analysis workflow. For testing and quality assurance, Copilot can generate PyTest test cases, work with the Unitest framework, and provide helpers for mocking and patching. It can also create fixtures and parameterize tests, ensuring your code is robust and well-tested with less effort. Finally, in automation and DevOps, Copilot aids in automating script tasks, building command-line tools with argparse, managing subprocesses, handling file I/O operations, and even working with AWS and GCP SDKs. This coverage makes it a versatile assistant for Python developers in any field, helping you write better code faster. GitHub Copilot's inline suggestions are at the heart of the code completion experience. As you type, these suggestions appear as gray ghost text directly in your editor. You can quickly accept a suggestion by pressing Tab or dismiss it by hitting Escape. If you want to cycle through different options, Windows users can use Alt plus the bracket keys to navigate next or previous suggestions, while Mac users use Option plus the brackets. There's also a handy shortcut, Control plus Enter, to open the Suggestions panel for more options, and Control plus I opens the inline chat feature for interactive assistance. Alt plus / lets you manually trigger Copilot whenever you need it. To get the best and most relevant suggestions from Copilot, it helps to write descriptive function names before you fill in the body, add clear comments explaining what the code should do, and provide function parameters to give Copilot context. Keeping related code in the same file, using type hints in Python or TypeScript types, and writing example use cases in comments can further improve results. Organizing your files well and ensuring your imports align with your intended approach also helps Copilot generate smarter and more accurate suggestions. These tips make your interaction with Copilot smoother and more productive. GitHub Copilot significantly enhances the code review and pull request process by leveraging AI to improve code quality and security. One key feature is the automatic generation of detailed PR summaries, which clearly explain what has changed, why those changes were made, and the potential impact on the project. This helps reviewers quickly understand the context without digging through all the code. Additionally, Copilot provides AI-powered inline review comments that highlight possible bugs, code smells, and opportunities for improvement directly within the code. This makes the review process more thorough and efficient. Security is another critical area where Copilot shines. It automatically scans pull requests for vulnerabilities and even suggests fixes through its autofix feature, ensuring that security issues are caught and addressed early. Importantly, organizations can enable Copilot's code review capabilities for all pull requests, even if the contributors are not Copilot users themselves, making it accessible and scalable across teams. Moreover, Copilot checks PRs against best practices, including coding standards, documentation requirements, and team-specific conventions, helping maintain consistent quality. Finally, it can also explain complex code changes to accelerate onboarding for reviewers, making the entire review process smoother and more effective. GitHub Copilot provides AI assistance throughout every phase of the software development lifecycle, making it an invaluable tool for developers. Starting with requirements, it can analyze documents, transform plain language into user stories, and even create technical specifications. Moving on to design, Copilot helps generate architecture diagrams, data models, and API contracts, as well as implement design patterns. During development, it supports code generation, completion, refactoring, and can even translate code between major languages. For testing, it assists in creating unit tests, integration tests, edge case scenarios, and performance tests to ensure robust software quality. In the code review phase, it summarizes pull requests, adds review comments, scans for security issues, and suggests best practices to improve code quality. Documentation is also simplified with Copilot, which can generate inline documentation, API docs, README files, changelogs, and user guides. When it comes to deployment, it helps configure CI/CD pipelines, generate Docker files, and produce infrastructure as code templates to streamline release processes. Finally, during maintenance, Copilot aids in diagnosing bugs, explaining legacy code, updating dependencies, and analyzing performance to keep systems running smoothly. This end-to-end AI support empowers development teams to work more efficiently and focus on delivering value.